What if I told you that in the next 5 years, AI could make you a millionaire or leave you bankrupt? This isn't science fiction. It's already happening. And while most people are scrolling memes, the smart ones are asking, how do I turn this chaos into cash? Stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to place your bets. Think your job is safe? Think again, AI isn't coming. It's here. It's diagnosing cancer faster than doctors, trading stocks in milliseconds, and writing legal contracts. But here's the kicker. Will it make you obsolete or filthy rich? Let's break it down. Point 1. AI automates 30% of tasks in high-paying jobs. Lawyers, accountants, even coders. No one's safe. Point 2. But for every job it kills, AI creates 2.3 new ones. The catch? You need skills it can't replicate. Point 3. So, which industries will explode next? You might want to take notes. Imagine a world where AI designs your meds, negotiates your mortgage, and even picks your stocks. Pause. That world is now the confrontation. Industry 1-to-1. Healthcare. AI slashes drug discovery from 10 years to 10 months. Investors pouring billions, but the real money's in data ownership. Industry 2. Finance. Algorithms control 80% of Wall Street trades. Miss this trend, and you'll watch from the sidelines. Industry 3. Real estate. Virtual agents sell homes 24/7. Psst. AI predicts property booms 6 months early. Lean in. Ever heard of predictive analytics? Still relying on a salary? But here's what no one's telling you. AI isn't the villain. It's the ultimate sidekick. And in Act 3, you'll learn how to hack it. The AI Wealth Blueprint. How to win the resolution strategy. 1. Invest. AI ETFs surged 300% in 5 years. But the golden ticket? Startups merging AI with blockchain. Strategy 2. Upskill. Master prompt engineering or AI auditing. Free courses? Google, Microsoft AI certifications. Thank me later. Strategy 3. Build. Use ChatGPT to launch a $10,000 per month agency. No coding. No excuses. AI won't steal your job, unless you let it. Still here? Good. Because the final tip is period. Secret weapon. The real wealth isn't in AI. It's understanding AI. Partner with it. Profit from it. Or get left behind. CTA, close with urgency. Want the exact AI stocks, skills, and side hustles I'd bet on? Smash subscribe and grab my free AI Wealth Playbook below. This isn't a drill. The AI train is leaving. Now, let's talk about what you can actually do with this AI revolution. It's not just about surviving, it's about thriving. But here's the catch. You're going to need a plan, a roadmap, and that's exactly what I'm about to give you. Strategy 1. Invest AI is already reshaping industries, and the stock market is catching fire. AI ETFs alone have surged 300% in just 5 years. But here's where the real opportunity lies. Startups that are merging AI with blockchain. The future of decentralized finance? It's all in these high-growth companies. Get in early, and you could be looking at the next billion-dollar breakthrough. Strategy 2. Upskill. Want to make sure you're not left behind? It's time to master the tools that AI can't replace. Things like prompt engineering. That's the art of talking to AI and getting exactly what you need. Or dive into AI auditing. Companies will need experts to make sure their AI is ethical and effective. Best part? You can start with free courses online. Google, Microsoft AI certifications. You'll thank me later. Strategy 3. Build. If you've been waiting for the right time to start something, this is it. With AI, you can launch a $10,000 a month agency. No coding skills needed. No excuses. Use ChatGPT to automate processes, create content, and deliver high-value services without hiring a team. Build your brand and leverage AI to scale it fast. The mindset shift. And here's the thing, AI isn't going to steal your job. Unless you let it. Think about it. It's not about fighting AI, it's about using it to your advantage. The wealth is in understanding AI, not just watching from the sidelines. When you partner with AI, you'll create wealth, profit from it, or be left behind. Final CTA, urgency. So, are you ready to take control of your future? Want the exact AI stocks, the skills that'll make you unshakable in the next wave of technology, and the side hustles that could bring in real cash? Hit that subscribe button now and grab my free AI Wealth Playbook below. This isn't a drill. The AI train is leaving. Ladies and gentlemen, AI is no longer the future. It's the present. From self-driving cars to AI-powered assistants, artificial intelligence is reshaping our world at an incredible pace. But with this transformation comes a big question. How do we survive and thrive in an AI-driven world? First, let's acknowledge the impact. AI is automating jobs, revolutionizing industries, and even changing the way we think. Tasks once done by humans are now handled by machines. This means that some jobs will disappear, but new opportunities will emerge. So, how do we adapt? The answer lies in learning and evolving. 1. Embrace AI, don't fear it. Instead of resisting change, we should learn how AI works and how it can help us. 2. Develop uniquely human skills. Creativity, emotional intelligence, and critical thinking are irreplaceable. These skills will always be in demand. 3. Stay updated. Continuous learning is the key. Whether you're a student, professional, or business owner, keeping up with AI trends will give you a competitive edge. AI Ninksit, Hogi Helyatunk Legyunk, Iti Van, Hogi Segitsen Nekunk. The ones who adapt will not just survive, but thrive. So, let's innovate, learn, and step into the future with confidence. Thank you. On this channel, we bring you the latest insights, expert tips, and practical strategies to help you level up. Whether it's AI, web development, or future trends, we've got you covered. And the best part? It's all free. By subscribing, you're not just following a channel, you're investing in yourself. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button now and be part of a community that's learning, growing, and winning every day.